Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Grass-fed steak, it's a bit special, isn't it? It often has a leaner profile, which gives it a more intense, pure beef flavor that many people love. Because there's less fat marbling, it actually cooks quicker than your typical grain-fed steak. Understanding these unique qualities is your very first step to mastering this delicious cut, helping you prepare and cook it perfectly. Before you even think about cooking, let your steak relax. Take it out of the fridge about 20 minutes prior, allowing it to reach room temperature. This helps it cook more evenly throughout. Next, pat that steak completely dry with paper towels. Moisture prevents a good crust. Then, season it generously with coarse salt and fresh black pepper. Don't be shy here, it's where much of the flavor comes from. For most grass-fed cuts, pan searing is a fantastic option. A hot cast iron skillet gives you that beautiful, rich brown crust. If you've got a thicker steak, consider a reverse sear. Bake it slowly in the oven first, then finish it quickly on high heat for that perfect char. Just remember, grass-fed cooks quickly, so always keep a very close eye on it to prevent overcooking. The best way to hit your desired doneness is with an instant-read thermometer. For medium rare, aim for around 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove your steak from the heat about 5 degrees below your final target, as it will continue cooking while resting. And this is crucial, always let your steak rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and incredibly flavorful. Once rested, it's time to slice your masterpiece. Always cut your steak against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite wonderfully tender. A little drizzle of good olive oil or a pat of herb butter can truly enhance its natural, rich taste. Serve it up immediately with your favorite side dishes and just really savor that clean, pure beef flavor you've worked so hard to achieve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.